Welcome to JH. The Mansculpt Wave Therapy Pro is marketed as a modern wellness tool for men utilizing wave-based suction technology. Its manufacturers claim it enhances circulation, boosts endurance, and can even increase size over time. It is presented as a secure, non-surgical substitute for medication or complex procedures. On their site, they emphasize that numerous clients experience increased firmness and improved blood flow, with visible changes appearing in just a few weeks. In practice, this device operates similarly to a standard vibrating pump. While it might provide a brief increase in blood flow and a short-lived sense of firmness, there is no clinical proof that it can rebuild tissue or offer lasting growth. Actual shockwave treatments, which are often cited for comparison, generally require specialized medical hardware and expert oversight. Examining the website further reveals several points of concern. They include fine print stating that outcomes differ, and most advantages are shown through personal stories rather than verified research. The refund policy is restricted once the packaging is unsealed, meaning the money-back promise might be complicated. Additionally, the site features aggressive data and significant claims that lack validation from external sources. Priced at approximately $59.95 or higher, the item is essentially a white-labeled product that can be purchased for less on other platforms. Ultimately, while the Mansculpt Wave Therapy Pro might provide a momentary lift in circulation and rigidity, it fails to provide the permanent or significant transformations promised by the ads. For those seeking to enhance their health or performance, it is better to investigate methods backed by clinical studies or speak with a healthcare specialist for advice.